Guys, it's me, and I recorded this video yesterday, but I didn't like the way it recorded, so I'm recording it again. This is a mini album that I made. It is 7 by 4, so 7 by 4. And it's Gone Fishing. I have this closure here, which I untied so that I can open the book and show you the inside. And it's all about fishing and outdoor stuff. So here's my spine. If you look here, you will see the binding is these long papers, and then it's scored with a gusset here so that it's one continuous sheet. And then the inside here's this little fish. I think it's a bass, I'm not sure. And then little can of worms. This page has this little pocket with tackle or bait box there, and then there's this mat. And then you turn the page, and over here on this page, look at the little hat. Isn't that hat cute? And it has some fish hooks on it with some flies, I guess is what they're called. And then here's the little fishing jacket. Look at this little fish. Isn't it cute? And then this page flips up. So then you would have a fish up here, and then one here, and then right there it says Gone Fishing. It's a nice place for some more pictures. And then here is a boat on this page. And this says Intensive Care Unit. And then you open it up, and there it says Gone Fishing, and Gone Fishing here. I like this paper. It's like gravelly, sandy type paper. Then there is this page, which is actually it's this. I wonder how come that's not sticking. So this says Gone Fishing, and then you can slide this little photo mat in behind there. Here's a little hat. It says Fond of, and then I stamped fishing with some salmon eggs right there. A bobbin and some kind of something for fishing. I don't know what it is. And then here is a little photo mat for wallet-sized pictures or journaling, and then this mat for this pocket here. And then you turn the page, and it says Fresh Catch Daily, little binoculars. And then here's a tag. Okay. Here's a fishing pole with this belly band and this tag. It slides in. It has a bobbin, a hook, and binoculars. This, I'm pretty sure, is for a muskie bait, muskie hook. And then here Here's another fishing vest. Here's this gone fishing tackle box, and this thing pulls the hooks out of the fish. And then the mat, nice little belly band place for another picture. Hat, a basket to put your fish, super bait, a fishing or a photo mat. Sorry guys, I have gotten a sore throat. I think I'm getting a cold or something, so sorry. Here's a little hat. Here's another one of those fish, and the fish down here. And then this pocket for a picture. And then you flip the page, and over on this page there's these fish down here, and right there's another can of worms. And then there's this page there, and this mat. And then here is a fishing pole and a belly band with a photo mat. And another tackle box. And here is a fishing pole that you can tuck a picture behind. Excuse me. And there's some fish. If you can see the paper, there's fish on that paper. And then this is the back, and it says Gone Fishing, and this is like a booklet here for the mat, and then it closes up. And how you close it is you push this through the eyelet there, and then you pull the tails through here and pull it, and then it tightens it like that. So that's this album, and I will return with the next one.